Okay, today, to start off, I want to play a game of 20 questions. You guys are going to try and guess what's in this bag. You can ask me any kind of question, yes or no only. Anybody have a question? What do you think is in the bag?
Cell phone.
Nope.
Sweet candy.
Nope.
Is it something you can eat?
No.
Lipstick?
Nope. Come on,
Is it something that's normally found in a purse?
Oh no.
Is it alive?
No.
Is it expensive?
No.
Is it dead?
No.
Can you eat it?
No. Any other guesses? Anything?
Is it long?
No.
Is it fun?
Oh, it's fun. Anything else? It's an amphibian. During my speech today, I want you guys to put yourself in place of this little guy. What he looks like, what he eats, where he lives. I just want you to think about him. I'm going to set him here, and I want you to think about him the whole time while I'm talking. I want you to really put yourself in his place. So what exactly is an amphibian? Well, it starts off as an egg. A jelly-filled egg with a tiny baby that's probably the size of your fingernail. Once it hatches, it grows into a tadpole with gills. It lives under the water, has a tail, and just a head. As it gets a little bit older, the tail starts to shrink, its lungs begin to form, it gets legs, and it starts to turn into the adult frog. These are examples of amphibians. A frog, a toad, a newt, a salamander are all examples of amphibians. So what's the problem? Well, amphibians are declining, and they're declining rapidly. But surprisingly, they're happening in places like this. Not places around here that were normally available to us, but places like national forests, national parks, places that are supposed to be protected for this little guy. He's supposed to be safe, he's supposed to be sheltered, but surprisingly, he's dying off. Why? Well, because humans affect every single aspect of the amphibian decline. From global warming, which we all know has a big part to do with us, limiting its water supply, limiting all kinds of litter and pollution that we're adding to his environment, from depleting the ozone layer, UVA, UVB rays, which are causing sunburn on his skin. Also pesticides, which Patrick talked about before. Pesticides kill these guys too, and the bugs that they're trying to eat. Their food supply is diminishing because of us. Also, we're cutting down the places that they live and building our dream house, our big housing developments with a big pool and everything. That's hurting that little guy too. Pesticides bring about that, a trematode. A trematode grows where the pesticide is found, sometimes inside bugs that are still living after the pesticide is spread, and our amphibian eats them. He eats the bug, and that ends up growing in his stomach. What's the big deal? It's just a parasite. That's the big deal. He has a growth defect. He can grow an extra head, an extra eye, an extra leg, and he either has to live with that for the rest of his life, or he dies. So, what are you going to do? What is this little creature supposed to do when everything that he comes in contact with mostly has to do with us? Well, he decides that he only has one choice. He can either adapt to his surroundings, or he'll die. A good example of adapting to his surroundings is the poisonous dart frog. The poisonous dart frog secretes fluid from its skin when it goes to be eaten, and is immediately spit out. He also has a bright color, which makes him very fast. He can blend in tropical areas. He's a very smart little frog. So, the solution? Do your part. You could save that little guy's life just by helping global warming, helping to not deplete the ozone layer so fast, not spreading pesticides, not building your dream home and cutting down 50 trees. By doing all that, you give another chance at life.